We're installing a hybrid symbol on Pap's truck without him knowing. Here's how you do it. Step 1 is to clean the back with rubbing alcohol. Next, we're going to install our 3M tape and install it on his truck. We have our 3M tape, our hybrid symbol, and our knife. So now we're going to get this installed on Pap's truck. We have the 3M tape installed on it. Now we just got to trim it out. So we have our hybrid symbol all cut out, the 3M tape on the back. We're ready to install it on Pap's truck. Mustache Mobile. Right here's where that is going to be going. So the next step is to clean the truck, where we're going to put the sticker at. Rubbing alcohol in there. Now we got to get this bad boy peeled off. And there you have it. I think it's a 2003 Mustache Mobile 1500 hybrid. That's what I'm talking about. Pap's got himself a new truck today.